Hey everybody, Ross here from Self-Reliant Island. Cooking up a fat steak tonight, so I figured I'd have to, gotta show you guys this thing. It's a prime rib roast slash steak, bone in, enough to feed the whole family for sure. Canadian top quality beef. We're gonna throw it on the grill here and do a little time lapse of it cooking away. Oh, there it is. Look at that thing. We did 10 minutes per side on the grill, and then we put it into the oven at 420 degrees, and we did 10 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the other side. So altogether 40 minutes cooking. It's pretty thick steak, and I think it's going to be perfectly cooked, but I'll show you guys how it turned out. Here's the steak all cut up. I'd say that's a perfect medium rare. So you guys probably wouldn't have guessed this, but this steak is actually from Walmart. So this is a Walmart steak test. And I would give it 2 thumbs up. Really freaking good steak.